tignan naman natin yung tatlong leader na kung saan hindi sumusunod at sumasalungat sa international law, magkakasama sa parada. Panakot yun eh. Sa akin, panakot yun. Lalo-lalo na sa maliliit na bansa. We are not tangled in a power struggle. Yan propaganda ng China. Yan ginagamit nila upang huwag tayong tumayo kasama ng ating mga kaalyado na tutulan ang ginagawa nila sa West Philippine Sea at ang pagsakop nila sa 9-dash line. Yan ay gaslighting sa atin. On the other hand, yung One China policy nila, ginagamit nila tayo sa away nila sa Taiwan. Hindi ba, sa akin, although si Juan de la Cruz, siyempre, hindi natin masisisi ang ating mga kababayan dahil nagtatrabaho yan, may ibang ginagawa. Ngunit, ilagay po natin sa likod ng isip natin na merong gustong manakop sa atin na gutom dahil gusto kunin lahat ng yaman sa ilalim ng karagatan. Hindi lang sa West Philippine Sea, kung hindi kahit sa Pacific.
Let's keep the focus where the focus belongs, which is right here. And the Allied victory took place, the surrender document took place here, right in this very room. And it's a victory for the Allied forces and also a demonstration of the indomitable spirit of the Philippine people who really worked hard throughout the period to contest the Japanese invasion and to make sure that the Allied victory prevailed to preserve our freedom. So when you think of freedom of expression, when you think of freedom of the press, when you think of democracy, when you think of all those freedoms that we enjoy today, we think of the Philippines and we think of the United States and not about any third countries here in the region.
Right.